Hello everyone. In 2026, natural textures and versatile shapes are leading the way. Soft waves, minimalistic layers and clean lines. The classics return with modern accents. Bob cap square with a slight degree of asymmetry, pixie with elongation at the temples. Coloring techniques, gradients, pearl pigments, warm bronze and cold platinum tones, matte shades without cobwebs. Functional options, shoulder length and slightly lower for everyday wear, mohawk square for characteristic expressiveness, asymmetrical haircuts for visual volume. Modern transitions, smooth borders between layers, smooth reduction of length to the nape, transitions in the area of temples without sharp lines. Trending forms, bob with minimal layers. It is universal for any hair structure, brings it closer to the face and visually stretches the silhouette. Square with long bangs, gently frames the face, suitable for office and parties. Pixie with a soft elongation on the crown, retains femininity, adds volume and dynamics. Boat and cashmere weave, options with a light volume along the contour of the head and textured ends. Long layers on medium length, natural volume, movement and freedom of styling. Technical nuances and care. Textures, 4 natural waves. Ultra smooth or slightly uneven tips. For straight hair, add minimal layers for volume. Styling, an airy blow dryer styling with a diffuser for waves, or a straight style with a flat iron for smoothness. Color, optional, a mix of shades using the balayage/peekaboo effect technique to preserve layering and depth. Care, regular haircut every 6 to 8 weeks, moisturizing tips, protection from heat exposure.